Nocturnal, matulog sila.
Show me your face. Pwede hindi, okay lang. Picture na uwi. Exit na. Exit na. Sa ulaga naman ni Lola. Oh, na, pwede pala dito magsulat, honey. Naku, baka may bayad pa rin yan. This is the Tarsier. The Tarsier is sleeping. The Sleeping Beauty. And we're going home for the 170 worth of entrance fee. Ilan ang Tarsier na nakita mo? Ito kami. After watching Tarsier sleeping on the corner. And now, si Lola. Madulas yung daan nila. Diyos ko, kita na ang person.